At time, on, days, in, seasons, months, and year. So at 6:30 p.m. on July 4th in the 90s, at sunrise on my birthday in summer at bedtime. Care about me, look at me, wait for me, listen to me, sit with me, count on me, depend on me, trust in me, dance with me, work with me. Present, past, I get, I got, I caught, I caught, I shall, I should, I ride, I rode, I have, I had, I make, I made, I do, I did, I pay. So drop this answer in the comment section. Present, past, I go, I went, I pay, I paid, I drink, I drank, I write, I wrote, I find, I found, I see, I saw, I eat, I ate, I do, I did, I withdraw, I what? So you answer this under the comment section. Thanks for watching. Today, yesterday, I go, I went. I drink, I drank. I sleep, I slept. I feel, I felt. I live, I left. I come, I came. I know, I knew. I take, I took. At, on, in, I am at school. I am on the bus. I am in the car. I am at the airport. I am on the phone. I am in the office. I am at the park. I am on the bed. Present, past. I send, I sent. I grow, I grew. I fly, I flew. I freeze, I froze. I begin, I began. I read, I read. I meet, I met. I shake, I what? Drop your answer in the comment section. Today I see, yesterday I saw. Today I make, yesterday I made. Today I drive, yesterday I drove. Today I tell, yesterday I told. Today I do, yesterday I did. Today I say, yesterday I said.